In this video, I will show you how to turn off YouTube notifications. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To do this is quite easy. All you need to do is come across to youtube.com and then make sure that you're logged into the correct account that you're wanting to turn notifications off for. Once you've done that, come and click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, and on this menu you want to come down and click onto settings. Once you're in your settings, come over to the left hand side, and in this menu you want to click onto notifications. This way you can come to turn off your notifications. So of course you can just go through these and turn off whichever ones you want due to your preferences. So you can see, for example, there's notifications about subscriptions, recommended videos, activity, and so on and so forth. So just basically turn off the ones you don't want. Of course, if you want to completely turn off notifications from YouTube, then just go ahead and turn all these switches off. And just make sure to scroll down as well, because there is email notifications as well. Once you've done that, you would have successfully turned off notifications from YouTube. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.